Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Brad.
And I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. Today we're here to help you get the most out of your Disney vacation and talk about one of my favorite resorts, really. Mm-hmm. It is the Yacht and Beach Club Resort.
Here at the Jamie Thomas Show, we just want to help you as you look forward to your next Disney World, Disneyland, whatever it is, vacation, and just also bring you a little bit of Disney magic wherever you are today. And so we are wanting to talk about one of our favorite resorts, the Beach and Yacht Club, which is located in the Epcot area. Absolutely beautiful resorts.
Yeah, and it is important to note that they are two separate resorts. They are sister resorts. They actually share the same pool, but they each have their own check-in lobby, and they are two different resorts.
This has always been one of your personal favorites. It's always been kind of like your dream to stay there, and you've been able to stay there, and it's great.
Well, and I love swimming, so for me, the biggest thing is the pool. Like, you can have a day just to swim at the pool and enjoy, because the pool is gorgeous. It's about a 3-acre pool called Stormalong Bay, and before the water parks actually even existed, this was kind of seen as almost like the water park resort because it's so big. It has a sand bottom pool,
which is just incredible, especially if you have kids. They're gonna love it. It's like hanging out on the beach. They leave out shovels for the kids and things to build sand castles, and whenever we've been there, that's what kids are doing. They're building sand castles. It's awesome. It's got a lazy river.
A lazy river, yeah.
One of the biggest, if not the biggest, water slide that is not part of one of the water parks.
That's true.
Just massive.
Yeah. I actually didn't go on the water slide, but it looks really big.
I did. Me and my boys did, and it's incredible. It starts over on this kind of abandoned pirate ship that's actually away from the pool, and you use the water slide goes through the air over to the pool area. It's really quite long. It's really, really fun. Your kids are going to love it. You're going to love it.
Let's talk about each resort.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's start off with the Yacht Club.
Okay.
Now, Yacht Club's theming it's just like it sounds. A yacht club. I feel like the rooms and the whole theming is a little bit more elevated, masculine, kind of sailing.
A little more elegant.
A little bit more elegant, right?
Both are deluxe resorts. This
Absolutely.
one does feel just a touch more elegant, I would say.
Yeah, and maybe a little bit more for adults.
Yeah.
I would say. Yeah. And the rooms are lovely. They just actually got renovated at the Yacht Club and the Beach Club. Yeah. So they're brand new rooms. They replaced the carpet. They pretty much gutted the whole room and did a refurb, which is really nice. But the rooms are lovely. The beds are awesome. Tons of space, square footage wise. It's 365 square feet.
Yep.
In the room, so you're getting lots of space, and these rooms do sleep up to 5 people. So you can get the 2 queens and the single wall pull down, or you can get a room with just a king.
Yeah. But most of them sleep 5 and can have a 6th if you're talking about someone that's under the age of 3 and going to be sleeping in a crib. So a decent sized family, which is really nice.
Yeah, lots of space. Yacht Club has 3 categories that are non-club level. There's standard, water, which would be over either the pool or overlooking the lagoon, and garden and woods view. They also have club level rooms, which give you club level access. So, man, you get free breakfast, you get free snacks and drinks throughout the day, evening desserts and evening appetizers.
Yeah.
So good. That is the way to go, honestly. You want to go club level, if you can splurge and do it, so worth it. So for club level access rooms, you have a standard view, a garden or woods view, or a water view, all club level access. So same as the regular rooms, just closer to the club level end. Or there's also, if you want extra space, a 2-bedroom suite.
How many can that sleep?
So the 2-bedroom club level access room can actually sleep 6 people, but has 2 kings and 1 queen sleeper sofa.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome. The Yacht Club does have its own lobby. It is gorgeous. It has a big globe in the middle of it. It has, even the carpet has little touches of hidden Mickeys on it. It's just a very elevated, calming, nice atmosphere in the lobby there.
Yeah.
So let's move on over to Beach Club. You can actually walk right from Yacht Club through to Beach Club and their lobby over there. So they are connected, the resorts. Over at Beach Club, it is a different vibe. It's more of a
beach vibe.
Beach vibe. So
it feels
a little
more
bit
family
more
oriented.
Family, laid back, lighter, not as elevated, I would say, or masculine kind of feel. Like very much.
But still deluxe, and still you feel like you're in the lap of luxury. But there is just a different vibe on it. It's hard to totally put into words because they are.
I think it's the lighter colors. Like, you know, over
it's interesting.
Yacht Club, it has more of like, you know,
Grays
the mahogany,
navies,
and over at Beach Club, you're getting more of the like lighter blues and like a little bit more calming kind of colors rather than, you know, the harsher colors. So and the darker colors. Yeah. So I actually personally prefer Beach Club just because of the colors and the aesthetic. It fit me a little bit more. However, honestly, I would stay at either of them, and they're both really lovely. Over at Beach Club, they also have a few different categories of room. They have the standard view, they have the garden or woods view, and then they have the water view. So same kind of over as Yacht Club, right?
And your rooms, as far as your standard rooms, very similar.
They
King
sleep up
or
to
2 queens. They sleep up to 5, have very similar square footage. You're looking at very similar as far as your amenities in your rooms and what kind of views they have.
The difference between the Beach Club is you can get a deluxe room
which
over
is
there.
A really, really key thing.
It's just a larger room than a standard room, and you're getting 2 queens and then a queen sleeper sofa. So
they can sleep 6.
That can sleep up to 6. So the regular rooms sleep 5 up to 5. And this room sleeps up to 6. Beach Club also has a club level access room. And so they have the standard view, the water view, and the garden view, all with club level access. So that's pretty awesome. But
wonderful.
Another thing they have is club level access 1 and 2 bedroom rooms.
2 bedrooms?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, but it's the same as Yacht Club. Yacht Club has the 2 bedrooms, but Beach Club has a little bit more options because they have that deluxe room and they have the 1 bedroom in addition to the 2 bedroom. The 2 bedroom actually has 2 queens and a king and a sleeper sofa. So it sleeps up to 7 people.
That's big.
It is. It's quite huge. At the Beach and Yacht Club, it probably is my top 3 for dining.
Oh, okay.
So I would say like Animal Kingdom, Polynesian, and Beach and Yacht Club are like my favorites.
All of them are
resorts that have good food.
All of them are fabulous.
Yeah.
But this is right up there, and you can make an argument for it. So, Jamie, tell us a bit about the restaurants.
So, number 1 is Beaches and Cream. They have a, you know, where you step up and you just can order. It's kind of like a to-go kiosk, and you can order things like the No Way Jose, like their ice creams that are on steroids. They're huge, so yummy to share. But they also have a sit-down area. And
it seemed like a 50s ice cream diner.
Yeah, I think so.
50s, 60s, or whatever.
I don't know. It's like soda shop almost. Like it's really cute.
Really cool.
And
the jukebox and all that fun stuff.
Yeah, the cool thing about going inside there is they have really good tomato and grilled cheese. Like the grilled cheese is so good. It's better than just regular. It's so yummy. But they also do the kitchen sink there.
Yes,
this is kind of legendary. You can actually see, we have a video of when we tried the kitchen sink challenge.
We'll
they actually bring
description.
out how many, like it's like 28 scoops or something?
Something
of ice cream in a kitchen sink, and you can share it with your family.
And they make it a big show. They have kind of a script that they read, but they've memorized it, and a big alarm clock goes off, and everyone kind of looks at you, and it's a big challenge for can you eat the kitchen sink, and it comes out in a kitchen sink.
It's so good.
Yeah,
but their food is really good too.
Yes,
so you can get great ice cream, but you can also get really good sit-down food. The next place for dining is Cape May Cafe, and this is actually a character meal. So you have Minnie Mouse, Goofy, I think Donald's there. There's a few of the different ones, and you can have breakfast there or brunch with some characters. And the food in the buffet is so good. It's probably one of the best character buffets, I would say. And then in the evening, it's not character dining, but it's kind of like a seafood buffet. There is other options if you're not a seafood fan, but it is kind of seafood heavy, I would say, in the evening. The other table service place is Ale and Compass, and It's just a really nice food place. I actually had breakfast there when I was there last trip, and they have a little breakfast buffet, which I would highly recommend doing that in the morning. And the other place to eat is Yachtsman Steakhouse, and this is a signature meal. So if you are on the dining plan, it is 2 credits, but you're getting, these amazing aged steaks that are buttery soft and so yummy. So I highly recommend that for like a date night, or if you just want a fine dining experience, you're going to want to try that place.
Absolutely.
And there's also a few other dining quick service places throughout the resort.
Bars,
there's pool food next to the pool, so there's other honorable mentions, but those ones are my favorite.
Yeah.
Now, the other benefit to Yacht and Beach Club is it is right at the gate of Epcot.
Literally a 2-minute walk.
2-minute walk.
Right there.
You are right there. So if you are
You can
wanting to go,
practically see the gate from the pool.
Yes.
I mean, it's so close.
so during food and wine, that is like a really valuable resort.
Yeah, if you
to
like
do.
Epcot, but you have a private entrance that's not very constantly full.
Takes you right into World Showcase. And the other amenity is right located around the lagoon, which boardwalk is right there.
Oh.
So you are also getting all the amenities of like boardwalk. So they have like evening entertainment, restaurants. They have performers out on the boardwalk at night. Going there at night is so nice because it's lit up. There's so much fun going on, and shows and things like that.
You can also jump on one of the water taxis there that'll bring you to Hollywood Studios.
Yes, yeah. So you have really quick transportation to get to Hollywood Studios for that Star Wars Galaxy Edge, or to Epcot.
We spent a lot of time there as a family, between the pool and walking around the boardwalk, taking in all that entertainment. It really is like a day at the park. There's so much to do and see and just enjoy, and it's nice and slow too. You're not running the whole time, but you're still getting high quality entertainment, value, family time. Just awesome.
Oh yeah, it's definitely one of my favorite resorts.
It is
so nice. So you will not regret staying here. For a lot of people, I know it's on your bucket list to stay here because it is one of those resorts that are just magical and unique, right?
Yeah.
Where else are you going to get a sand bottom pool?
You're not going to.
Yeah. We want to thank you for taking the time and listening to our review on Yacht and Beach Club. As you can tell, it's one of our favorite resorts.
Yeah.
And if you are interested in planning your Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise, or Adventures by Disney, or Aliani vacation, make sure to contact me. My email is jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie, and I would love to help you plan a magical vacation. My services are completely free. If you are wondering what are the benefits to booking with you, Jamie, my next Disney vacation, we actually have a video on the benefits to booking with a travel agent.
Link below.
So link below. Make sure to take time to like and subscribe to this channel,
Give us a
so
comment.
you can keep up with all our videos. And make sure to give me a comment if you have stayed here and you love it, or something that you're looking forward to on your next visit here. Put your comment below. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.